In this video, I am going to show you how I make $400 daily without having to invest anything. Making money is simple, cool, and easy. I make over $400 every day without having to invest money. When I discovered this trick, I was so surprised because I never knew it would ever provide money for me. You would be so amazed after watching this video. If you follow these rules completely, trust me, you would also join me to make $400 every day. These steps require no investment, just your time, consistency, and creativity. Follow these steps and you will see the results so fast. What I'm going to tell you is very simple steps you would use to make over $400 in a day. But before I proceed, make sure you click the subscribe button so that if any other video drops, you would be the first to see them. Now, let's start. Over time, these steps has been tested and proven by many to be the easiest way to make money at the comfort of your home. All you need is to follow it, and you would see the results within hours. First, identify your interests and passion. Identify problems you can solve. Determine the profitability of your niche. Also, while these steps are simple and easy, there are also problems you would face while trying to follow these steps. So, stick to the end of this video to know everything and how to overcome them. Now let me break it down to the simplest form. Let's start with identify your niche. What do you love doing that requires no stress? The thing you can do comfortably without feeling tired about it and seems forced to do them. Like me, I love cooking. I can stand for hours cooking different meals without getting tired. Now what can you do? Can you cook, bake, or you are a craftsman? And when I say craftsman, I mean, can you draw or do anything? If yes, then you are good to go. Stay true to your craft. What I mean is, keep doing what you do because that is one of the criteria that will be needed. Now the second step is identifying the problem you can solve with your craft. Look around you, check out your surroundings. What problem can your niche solve? Using me as a case study, I can cook. I love cooking so much. It's easy for me to open a small food shop and start making meals for the public. Or I can start home service. For example, I can start cooking for people and get paid. Just ask yourself, what problem can your niche solve, and start solving them. It is always simple to solve problems when you already discovered what your niche is. So first discover your niche, then check out what problem your niche can solve, and then the last part will blow your mind. Before I go over to the last part, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and stay updated to be the first to know when a new video is dropped. Then, let's go to the last and the most interesting part of it.
Now identifying the profitability of your niche. After discovering your niche, then you check out if the niche can solve problems. After that, you now do what I tagged the most important part of it. Try to carry out a survey to know if that your niche can give you profits, can give you as much profits you need to sustain you. How to go about it? It's so simple. Take a stroll to your community and check how many people are doing that. If they are plenty people doing that, then ask them how they do it and what are the risks about it and what are the profit rate like. After doing that, then you now check out the cost of starting up something similar to that. Then do your calculations of purchasing everything needed and then estimate how much would be coming in a day. Then do your calculations and then find out how much profits you would make from it. If after your calculations the profits is small, then don't go into it. Just re-strategize and come up with a good idea. Always try 2 or 3 ideas still in your niche, then you will have the most perfect one. Not to be over-exaggerate, 80% of this steps works in every part of the world you find yourself. Just follow these steps and then come back to tell me the results. Be consistent in what you do and you will see the results come out so fast. You can make lots and lots of money through these steps have their own problems you would face, but I'll make it so simple and easy for you so you won't find it difficult when embarking on this journey. First problem is competition. Know that you will find people doing the same thing you want to do. It won't be only you. Now this is where creativity comes in. You need to be creative to attract people to your craft. How to go about it? First, take your craft on social media by promoting them on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. All you need to do is have an ads account in any of these social media and then choose your plan, and then you will see how you will get more customers. Just try this and you will see the results. Making money is so simple, but all you need is to follow this mentorship I have just given to you, and you will make money just the way I have.